Hey, this is Justin, the Flipping Accountant, and today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on your Amazon Seller app. If you find this information helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. So I'm going to open up the Amazon Seller app right here, click on that, and then to find the dark mode setting, we have to go to the system settings for this app. So in the top left-hand corner, you're going to click on the three little lines right there. So I'm going to click on the three little lines, and this opens up a little page, and then you're going to look for the little gear in the top right hand corner. I'm going to click on the gear in the top right hand corner, and then if you look down, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh from the top, it says dark mode. I'm going to go ahead and click on dark mode. And then from here, you can click on, off, or use system settings. So I'm going to go ahead and click on, and it automatically enables it. You don't have to click save or anything like that. And I'm going to hit back and then hit back again, and then we're all set. If you want to turn it off, do the same thing in reverse. So hit the top three lines, go back to the gear, and then go back down to dark mode, and then you can turn it back off just like that. And that's it. So just a cool little way to change the visuals in the Amazon Seller app. That's going to be it for today. If you found this video useful, drop a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.